Hey guys, it's Candace here at the Schiele Museum, and I brought a special guest with me, Miss Christy. Hello. All right, so Christy, tell me what you are going to be doing today.
We're going to be talking about squid dissections today.
Squid dissections? What? Awesome. Now, is this just for online content? Is this for a specific group of people, or is this for like anybody?
So just like all of our other dissections, we recommend this for ages 7 and up.
All right, so need to be at least in about 3rd grade or so to do this experience here. Now, what are we going to be doing? So obviously there's going to be a squid involved. So tell me a little bit about the process that's going to be happening here.
So people will be working in groups of 2. They will have 1 squid per group of 2. We will be looking at that external anatomy, the internal anatomy. We're going to be talking about all the adaptations that squid has to help him survive in the wild.
Awesome. Sounds like some really fun ways to do some biology, correct?
Exactly. And then it's in a really fun way, and trust me, not gross at all.
Awesome. So you say it's not gross, so I shouldn't expect like a bunch of like gross blood and stuff like that, right?
You absolutely will not see any of that.
Awesome. So let's talk about safety, because I know for some people this is a very new experience. How are we keeping safe with doing a squid dissection?
So we do have a limited capacity, so we're only allowing a number of people in the room. So you'll need to be able to reserve your spot, but we are going to be social distancing during that, and you will be wearing gloves. We will provide those for you so that you can do this safely.
Awesome. And do you have the tools necessary for me to do this?
I do. We're going to provide you with those gloves, all of those tools, and I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to go through this.
Oh, thank goodness. It's not a free-for-all. At least I know I'll be able to go step by step, and Miss Christy is an amazing teacher with dissection, so you're definitely going to want to come do this program. So Christy, tell people how they can get tickets.
Just visit the Schiele Museum website and register online.
All right, guys, you heard it, SchieleMuseum.org. That's where you need to go to reserve your squid dissection tickets. Thanks for joining us, Christy.
Bye.